Should all my fruits be organic? Well, I picked these up the other day at Trader Joe's. They're not organic. However, I remember reading once in a reputable source, they said, if a fruit looks good, it probably is. And these looked very good. Now, if you look at these closely, you see how here there's a little bit of yellow right there at the stem. Now, if that was completely this color, this reddish purple, it would be even a better fruit and more sweet. See, that yellow really needs to turn to this reddish purple to be at the height of its sweetness. So I have these kind of organized in this box. The sweetest at the top here, where, you know, there's very little yellow. So look for that. This I had to buy as a bunch in the box. And I looked at the different boxes, and this one seemed to have the most without that, you know, heavy-duty yellow like this one. This one will be less sweet, less nutritious. Okay, so that's a good tip for you as far as buying peaches. Look for that solid color as much as possible. See, like this one, pretty solid. It's got a little yellow there, but that's going to be very sweet and nutritious as well. So let me state for the record, of course, organic is better than non-organic. You know, organic's going to have no pesticide or very little, whereas non-organic will maybe has some pesticide in there. But the point I'm trying to make here is that that pesticide is not that critical to your health. When you're strong and healthy, your body can easily eliminate any small amount of pesticide. And if I don't get enough adequate calories, I'm going to grow weaker from a lack of nutrition. So if I can't get the organic fruit, I go with the non-organic, but I always check it out, make sure that it's ripe, and that's going to be the key, you know. You're still going to be better off eating live food with the water, with the fiber, than eating cooked food, which will always bring with it a certain pathogenic effect. So my answer is I eat both organic and non-organic. I try to get organic as much as possible. I agree, it's a better choice. But I'm not going to be starved for calories, and I don't want to be drawn into getting insufficient calories because I can't get organic fruit. Or I'm drawn to, you know, maybe eat some animal product, which I would never do, but some people are drawn to that to get some calories. Or they'll overeat with nuts, seeds, and avocados to get more calories. But that's not a healthy choice. Your fat has to be low. I'm all about a low-fat vegan diet, high fruit. So please give this video a like, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. All the best to your health, success, and fruit up.